How everyone, doing this maintenance can prolong your engine life. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, what I have here is the Liqui Moly valve cleaner. And the thing is about the Fiat 500 engine, like I mentioned in my previous video, it tends to have a carbon buildup. The thing is, when the valve has so much carbon deposit, it starts to run really rough. And the Liqui Moly valve cleaner that you can put in your gas tank, come here darling, can help you clean the carbon buildup from the valve. It's really easy and it's not expensive. And the thing is, a lot of people use really cheap gas, and the prolonged use of bad gas can cause that carbon buildup. So what you want to do, before you even put the gas, we're gonna go ahead and put this first and just leave it there, and then we just gonna I always use premium for this car. The thing is about using premium gas, it prevents knocks on your engine that can cause engine damage. This is why a lot of Fiat 500 owners reported that they have blown engine. This is why it's worth it to pay a little bit gas at the gas station and have the ability to save your engine and prolong it longer. So anyway, now we're just gonna fill it up. Yeah, the thing is about Fiat 500, it doesn't take a lot of gas. So yeah, look at the gas price in Virginia. It's at $4.99 now. It's pretty expensive, but compared to my BMW M6, the Fiat 500 doesn't use a lot of gas. So it is worth it to prolong the engine life by using the premium gas. I like the 93 octane right here. This is why all my cars never have that blown engine. Thing is, if you use a regular all the time, it tends to create a carbon buildup. And I know some of you who use regular have that problem with the carbon buildup on the valve and the engine, and guess what? You end up with a blown engine, and you have to replace it. So anyway, yeah, that's all there is to it. So I'll put the link in the description where you can buy the valve cleaner for your Fiat. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye!